Good afternoon, students. This is your computer period. Dear student, today we will do the question answer of lesson number 11, computer ethics. Yesterday we have to do MCQs and fill in the blanks, explanation of explanation of the chapter. Today we will do I will do different question answer. Okay. Our first question is define the computer ethics. Answer is computer ethics mean normal and a safe way of working on the computer while sending or receiving emails or chatting on the net. Means computer ethics का मतलब है normal and safe way of working. नॉर्मल और सेफ वे वर्किंग ऑन द कंप्यूटर पर नॉर्मल सेफ वर्किंग है और सेंडिंग और रिसीविंग में किसी में ईमेल या चैटिंग को किसी में ईमेल को सेंड करना, रिसीव करना, भेजना और रिसीव करना और नेट पर चैट करना. दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कंप्यूटर एथिक्स में डिफिनेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर एथिक्स. ओके. नंबर 2, व्हाट इज द नीड ऑफ कंप्यूटर एथिक्स. Computer ethics is required for a safe and secure working on computer and also for sharing the information on the internet. What is the need of computer ethics में computer ethics की क्या ज़रूरत है. Computer ethics is required, computer ethics की ज़रूरत है for a safe and secure, safe और secure working के लिए on computer पर and also for sharing और शेयर करने के लिए द इंफॉर्मेशन को शेयर करने ऑन द इंटरनेट पर इंफॉर्मेशन को शेयर करने के लिए कंप्यूटर एथिक्स की रिक्वायरमेंट है. राइट 2 टिप्स टू सिक्योर सेफ्टी वाइल वर्किंग ऑन कंप्यूटर. what is the 2 tips? They are in your book. They are the many tips while working on computer, but here I am telling you about 2 tips. Okay, first यूज़ पासवर्ड इनकरप्शन टू प्रोटेक्ट ऑफिस फाइल. हमेशा पासवर्ड का यूज़ करना चाहिए जैसे कि कोई भी ऑफिस किसी भी ऑफिस फाइल को इनकरप्शन से प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए. सेकेंडली क्लीन योर हार्ड ड्राइव. अपनी हार्ड ड्राइव को क्लीन करना चाहिए बिफोर यू डिस्पोज अ पीसी. बिफोर डिस्पोज अ पीसी ऑलवेज क्लीन योर हार्ड ड्राइव. ओके. The next question is write 2 rules for sending an email. There I am telling you about 2 rules. First, 2 rules for sending an emails are clearly summarized your message in a subject line. अपने मैसेज को सब्जेक्ट लाइन में क्लियर कर देना चाहिए. सेकेंडली डोंट यूज द CC कार्बन कॉपी फंक्शन टू सेंड योर टू मेल योर कॉपी. दिस इज द 2 rules for sending email. First, clearly summarize your message in the subject file. Second is don't use the CC carbon copy means function to copy your mail. Dear student, today here I want to tell you one thing more. Define the computer ethics and what is the computer ethics. Answer will be the same. If the question is write the definition of computer ethics and what is the computer ethics or define the computer, answer will be same because the define means computer ethics definition. What is computer means computer ethics definition and write the definition of computer and that you will write the same answer. Define the computer. What is computer ethics? Define the computer ethics and what is the definition of computer. Answer will be same. Okay. If the your question is what is internet, write the definition of internet. The answer will be same. Okay. Now we will do the one word answer. Everyone write it. This is computer copy. Our first question is a computer program used to delete any virus present in computer. This is antivirus software. Second, it is the normal and safe way of working on a computer while sending or receiving email or chatting on the net. Computer ethics. It is the normal and safe way of working on computer while sending or receiving emails or chatting on the net. It is computer ethics. Third one, This is theft of password and harm to other online company. Answer will be cybercrime. This is the one word answer. This is known as bullying on the computer, computer abuse. The last, the process of sending an insulting or rude message to anyone online is flaming. Okay. Everyone write in your computer class or copy and learn it very properly. It is very important for you. And today is for two things for writing. First is question answer and second is one word answer. And now start writing. Have a nice day.